morning, children. Hope you are all fine. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are dealing with a new topic. That's a poem. Name is Caged Bird. So, all of you close your eyes for a while and think about a bird that flies. What are the things comes in your mind? Have you ever wished to be a bird? Definitely, right? Because it has all the freedom and it can fly anywhere, right? The limit is sky, right? So it is always nice to be a bird, enjoying all the freedom. Now continue closing your eyes and imagine a caged bird. Are you happy? We will be happy to see the bird. But think about the mindset of a caged bird. What do you think about a bird? A bird means to fly, right? Is it fair for a bird to be in the cage? Never, right? There's no freedom. It is always urging for freedom. Right? Moving forward but cannot. Its wings are clipped. It never enjoys freedom. Right? Sometimes we compare some people. Those who have no freedom, they are like caged bird. Okay. Here the author, the poet, compare the African Americans and the white people with this wonderful comparison, a caged bird and a free bird. Our poet is Maya Angelou. She is an African American who faced racial discrimination during her time. Okay, so she also participated in the fight for the civil rights movement. We know great people like Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln, all great people who fight against racial discrimination. Do you know, children, during the earlier time, people were divided on the basis of their color. It happened everywhere. You know, mainly in Africa. Africans are black people. Even they were sold out in the market like animals. Many of them were brought to some other people, other countries as slaves, and they were sold out. So no freedom, worse than animals. Okay? And now it has changed, right? But people suffered a lot. The black people were forced to work long hours with minimum food. Okay. And once they become old, they were sold out with less money. So no human freedom they enjoyed. So there were fight against them. Okay. So these people protested and finally they got freedom. Now the concept is, what is the concept? Not color. Those who have ability, they can or develop and all facilities are there. Even the black people were not allowed to participate in sports or Olympics. The white people hesitated to share the seat with black people in the function or in vehicle. Such a kind of clear discrimination were there. So here our writer compare the caged bird and a free bird with the African American and white people. So let us listen. Okay. So please take page number 72. And it begins like this. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends and dips his wings in the orange sun rays and dares to claim the sky. See, a free bird leaps. What's the meaning of leaps? Move by jumping. Okay, it moves forward on the back according to the wind. It moves. That means it can move anywhere it likes and float downstream. It can come down till the water, right? And dips his wings. What is the meaning of dip? It sings its wings where in the orange sunrise. And dares to claim the sky. What is the meaning of dares? Dare means courage. To claim the sky. Even it can reach till the sky. Means it has no limit. A free bird has no limit to move. It enjoys all its freedom. Hope you understand. Okay? Now let us see about a caged bird. What happens? Let's see the second stanza. But a bird that stops. What's the meaning of stops here given? Walks with haughty steps. Means very slow. You see, a bird in the cage has no freedom. It can barely walk. Even if to walk round the cage, just round the cage it walks. Right? It really wants to come out. It is very sad, upset. And see, down his narrow cage, it just walk down its narrow cage. Its area is very small. So just compare it with the African Americans who had no freedom. Okay. Can seldom see through his bars of rage. What is seldom? Seldom is a negative word. That means rarely. See through his bars of rage. What is a rage? Means anger. It is very angry. Why? It is put in a bar, a block, so it cannot come out. As I told you, a bird means to fly. It wants to fly but no freedom. So it is very angry and crying out, shouting for freedom. See, his wings are clipped and his feet are tied. So he opens his throat to sing. See, wings are clipped, it cannot move. You see? And its feet are tied. So it cries loudly for freedom. The same situation for the black people. They are not allowed to move anywhere freely, or they are forced to do certain work assigned by their owner. They also want freedom but cannot. So, like the bird in the cage, these African American fight for the freedom because they cannot enjoy. Some dies out of hunger. Sometimes the owner punishes. So they need a freedom because they look at the white people, they enjoy. So the similar way the caged bird look at the free bird and they all fly. So the same situation. So the caged bird think, I am also a bird. I have the right to fly. Then why I am shut? The same way the black people thought, I am also a human being. Then why should I be just controlled by the white people? I have the same feeling. So out of anger, like the bird, the black people also shout. Now, third stanza. A caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown. What is the meaning of trill? A warbling sound. That means a fast movement of the wings in the cage because it wants to move. So it is afraid because it sings about things unknown. What is unknown? The things that it does not know. Because no surety. It is afraid whether it get freedom or not. The same way, the black people are worried about their uncertain future. They do not know what is going to come, right? Whether they would get justice or not. They are afraid. They are upset. And see now, but longed for still. See, even though they are afraid, okay, despite no hope, the bird continues singing. Why? So it has a great desire to be free. So it continues sings the similar way. The black people continue raising their sounds for what? For freedom. Freedom from the white people. Freedom from injustice. Right? Freedom from compulsory work and exploitation. Okay. And now, how but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill. Far away in the hill, its tune can be heard. Because such a loud noise it sings. That shows the intensity of the black people for freedom. Like this caged bird. For the caged bird sings for freedom. What does it sing? It does not sing any love song, right? Or any other songs. It has only one thing in its mind, freedom. The same way the black people shout for freedom. And now, the free bird thinks of another breeze. Look at, now again we speak about the condition of free bird. It thinks of another breeze. What is the meaning? It looking for another opportunity to explore or take the challenge, because it is completely free, no restriction. So it look for a new place. Very happy. Okay. Another breeze symbolize other opportunities. And the trade winds soft through the sighing trees. Here trade wind symbolize free movement. Like the wind pass through the trees, there will be a sound, sighing sound. Okay, that's the sound of the breeze when passing through the trees. That means free movement of the white people. They move anywhere they like. And the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn. See what the fat worms symbolize? It symbolizes freedom to choose anything they like. Like a fat worm in the lawn, the white people enjoy the freedom. Okay. Or it can eat anything it likes, like a bird, right? A free bird. But what about the slaves? Limited food, right? And he names the sky his own. Look at. He names the sky his own means he does not wait for anyone, right? To tell before doing anything. He does not need anyone permission to do certain things. But what about a slave? He or she can do only with the permission of the master, right? So his limit is sky. He thinks he is a king. White people enjoyed all the freedom. Right? Now, again coming back to the caged bird. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. What is a graveyard? Where dead people are buried. So for the caged bird, its dreams are died. Do you understand? Okay. It is the black people dreams are killed by the white. Okay. His shadow shouts on a nightmare scream. What is? Like a nightmare. It feels. Okay. See that he screamed like in a night dream. Screaming like as if it was seen a night dream. It is shouting. Okay. And at the same time, it has the curiosity, okay, and it has all its feeling to come out. Then again his wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. No other way. This is a repetition of line. Wings are clipped and feet are tied. So only it can do is to shout. What it shout for? It shout for freedom. It sing for freedom, nothing else. Now again coming, the entire stanza repeats. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill, but law of things unknown, but long for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. Okay, so I think you understand well, right? Here the poet compare the black and white people situation. So black people faced a clear discrimination. Is it fair? No. Okay, a beautiful comparison of the situation of black people with the caged bird. Right? So read well, understand. Okay? So we will wind up. Thank you and have a nice day.